Log into your Airtel Payments Bank Mitra app. On the home screen, tap on Comprehensive Health Cover. All product information will be listed on product landing page, including FAQs, TNC, and product document. To proceed with the journey, enter customer's registered mobile number and tap on the checkbox and then click on Next button. Now enter the verification code sent on customer's mobile number and tap on Verify. In case the customer has not received the SMS, you can resend the SMS by clicking Resend button after 60 seconds. Personal details of customer like name, mobile number, and age will be fetched automatically. In case customer's date of birth is not available in backend, you will be allowed to change customer's date of birth. Select gender. Gender will be having 3 options as male, female, and others. Enter email ID. Now, select the coverage type and sum insured as per requirement. Tap on Proceed. Basis selection of plan type, dynamic fields to enter further details will be displayed. Now, you need to fill name, date of birth, gender, and provide health declaration of insured and dependent basis selection in earlier screen. All the fields are mandatory to be filled. After filling all the details, tap on Calculate to view total premium value. Here, you will see the premium and selected sum insured at the bottom of the screen. For changing the details, click on Edit button. Clicking on Edit button will allow you to change details on the same screen. Now tap on Proceed. Now customer will receive the verification code sent on their registered mobile number. This SMS contains all details including health declaration. Tap on OK. On this screen, you will get complete information about the plan selection, sum insured, and total premium. You can see all customer details on tapping plus icon. You may review the details and need to click on Health Declaration checkbox. Please note, this is for primary insured while you have already accepted individual declarations of others in earlier screen. All the details will be sent to customer over SMS. You need to enter the OTP in verification code which is sent to the customer. Tap on Proceed. Pay premium through Mcash. Tap on Proceed. Enter MPIN for payment and verification. Tap on Proceed. Details of the policy issued will be displayed on the screen and will be sent to customer via SMS from Airtel Payments Bank. Additionally, one SMS and email will be sent by Care Health Insurance with policy details and policy copy link within 24 hours. In case policy has been issued, status of policy issued will be shown. In case of policy is awaited, status of policy awaited will be shown. Tap on Home to return to the home page. Congratulations for completing this training module. Click here to attempt